It is the coldest, most isolated place on Earth, and perhaps the most misunderstood. Twice the size of Australia, larger than Europe, holding nearly 90% of the world's ice. Antarctica sits at the bottom of our planet like a frozen vault, a continent of silence, of storms, of secrets locked beneath ice more than a mile thick. For centuries, it was nothing more than a rumor, a blank space labeled Terra Australis Incognita on ancient maps. Today, we have satellites orbiting above it, radar scanning through it, and research stations scattered across its edges. And yet, we still don't fully understand what lies beneath. In this documentary, we explore what Antarctica is truly hiding, not just myths and conspiracies, but real scientific discoveries that are reshaping how students, researchers, and everyday people understand Earth's past and its future. You'll hear the legends, you'll see the evidence, and in the end, you'll decide for yourself. The pyramid in the ice. In 2016, satellite images over the Ellsworth Mountains captured global attention. One peak stood out, sharp edges, 4 steep faces, a pointed summit. From above, it looked astonishingly similar to the pyramids of Giza. Located in the southern portion of the Ellsworth Range, this 4,150-foot formation rises dramatically from the surrounding ice. At first glance, it seems almost too perfect to be natural. Geologists classify it as a nunatak, a mountain peak exposed above the ice sheet. Over millions of years, freeze-thaw weathering, glacial erosion, and relentless Antarctic winds carved its faces into sharp angles. Nature can be surprisingly geometric. The famous Matterhorn in the Swiss Alps shares a similar pyramidal shape. But here's what makes the Antarctic peak different. It appears to have 4 distinct faces, more symmetrical than most natural formations. Some independent researchers suggest it could be something else, a buried ancient structure slowly revealed as ice shifts and melts. Mainstream science disagrees. There's no archaeological evidence of human construction, and Antarctica's major ice sheets formed millions of years before humans existed. But the fact remains, only about 1% of Antarctica's surface is visible. The rest lies buried under ice. And that means we're looking at only a fraction of the story. A lost green world beneath the ice. Here's where things become truly astonishing. Antarctica was not always frozen. Over 100 million years ago, during the age of dinosaurs, this continent supported lush rainforests. Fossilized tree trunks, pollen, and leaves have been discovered near the Beardmore Glacier, including beech-like leaves first reported during the 1912 expedition of Robert Falcon Scott. More recent drilling near the Antarctic Peninsula revealed pollen and root systems indicating temperate forests thrived here. Scientists estimate temperatures once ranged between 13 and 21 degrees Celsius. Let that sink in. Near the South Pole, there were forests. This wasn't a brief anomaly. Antarctica remained partially ice-free far longer than previously believed. Some regions only became permanently frozen around 14 million years ago. Beneath today's ice sheets, radar imaging has uncovered entire buried landscapes, valleys, rivers, mountain ranges, preserved in time. One region in East Antarctica contains an ancient terrain roughly the size of Belgium. It has likely been sealed off for millions of years. These discoveries raise powerful questions. If Antarctica once supported forests, rivers, and stable climates, what ecosystems evolved there? What species adapted to polar darkness? What evidence might still lie frozen below? For students of Earth science, Antarctica is not just a mystery. It is a time capsule. Lake Vostok, a world sealed for 20 million years. 4 kilometers beneath the East Antarctic ice sheet lies one of the most extraordinary discoveries of the modern era, Lake Vostok. This massive freshwater lake has been isolated from sunlight and Earth's atmosphere for possibly 15 to 25 million years. No air, no light, crushing pressure, temperatures near freezing, and yet, life may exist there. In 2012, Russian scientists drilled through the ice and briefly reached the lake's surface. Though contamination concerns limited sampling, microbial life was detected in the surrounding ice layers. Lake Vostok is not alone. More than 400 subglacial lakes have now been identified. These hidden waters are warmed not by the sun, but by geothermal heat and the immense pressure of overlying ice. For astrobiologists, these lakes are more than scientific curiosities. They are models for extraterrestrial life. If organisms can survive beneath Antarctica's ice, they might also survive beneath the frozen crust of Jupiter's moon Europa or Saturn's moon Enceladus. Antarctica may be helping us answer one of humanity's biggest questions. Are we alone?